Okay, I'm going to demonstrate moving or exporting an app to a shared space as a backup. And to do that, I need to create, for this example, two shared spaces. So the first shared space I'm going to create is going to be space target. And I'll just call it that and give that the description. And I'll create a second space, and I'm going to call that one, again, a shared space. I'm going to call that space source. And so the aim will be to move an app sitting in the space source across into, from target, from source into target. So that's what we're planning to do. And the easiest way to see the ID of the space is to jump in and have a look at the catalog. I'm just going to make this one a little bit bigger for a moment so it's easier to see. I'm going to go into the catalog, look at the space that I've called space source. And you'll see there's nothing in there, but up the top here in the URL, it gives me the space ID, and I'm going to need that. So I will grab that and I'll copy it into the automation export. Now we're going to use that template. And then we look at the piece there. We need the source space ID. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to put the value in here. So there's the ID of the space, and that becomes the source. Now I don't have anything in the source at the moment, so I'm going to jump in and put an app into there. And so if I look at apps and automations, I can go and have a look at the catalog and grab the app that I want to use. And I'm going to make a copy of this one here, this earthquakes app, and I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, it's been duplicated. Easiest way to find it now is just to refresh that page. And I'll see the copy of, I'm going to move that one into the new space, and it's the source, not the target. So I've moved it into there now. And you can see that it's sitting inside this space as the app, and that's what we're going to move across. And there's nothing in the target right now. So if we go back to our spaces, we want to see the space that we've called the target. And again, I can find the ID for the target up here. I've just copied that. And that'll become the second part of my automation. Just move that there. Now if I come across into the automation space and I come to the target, then I can put the target value into there. Now the actual automation has a number of steps in there. It looks, and if there's something already sitting, it will delete what's sitting in the target. If it's the same application, it'll replace it, which is kind of what we want, right? And then it'll update and do a few other bits and pieces. I have the possibility of sending notifications and so on, but for this demonstration, I'm not going to do that. So once I get to the start of my automation, as a test, I can run it. So I'll click on run. And you'll see it's running through here, doing all the executions that need to happen. And if I come back across now to my spaces and I go to the target space instead, go to the target space and I have a look at the app, I should see the app on there. So I'll just refresh this page. And now I can see that that one's in there. So I'm done. Okay, thanks for viewing this one. That's a new capability that's available in what was released in April. Uh, have a look for the What's New in April video as well. And if you liked it, subscribe, um, give it a like, and see you in the next one.